Lentil Yogurt Vegetarian Burger. Ingredients: 1 cup dried green or brown lentils, ½ cup whole milk Greek yogurt, 1/4 of a teaspoon finely grated lemon zest, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 2 garlic cloves, finely grated, divided, kosher salt, 6 ounces crimini mushrooms, stems trimmed, 2 tablespoons white miso, 1/4 of a teaspoon smoked paprika, 4 tablespoons, or more, extra virgin olive oil, divided, 1/4 cup, or more, oat, gluten-free 1-to-1 blend, or all-purpose flour, whole wheat buns, sprouts and/or lettuce, and sliced pickles, for serving. Directions: pour water into a large saucepan to cover lentils by 4 inches. Bring to a boil, reduce heat to medium, and simmer, stirring occasionally, until lentils are tender but not mushy, about 10 minutes from the time the water reaches a boil. Drain very well in a fine mesh sieve, then let cool at least 10 minutes, spread them out on a baking sheet, which will help them cool faster. Meanwhile, combine yogurt, lemon zest, lemon juice, and half of garlic in a small bowl. Season with salt, set aside. Finely chop mushrooms and transfer to a medium bowl. Add miso, paprika, 2 tablespoons oil, and remaining garlic clove. Add lentils, you should have 2 cups cooked, and stir and mash them with the back of a spoon or a potato masher until lentils are partly mashed but with lots of whole lentils still remaining. Vigorously stir in flour until mixture holds together when squeezed. If it doesn't, continue to mash until it does and add 1-2 Tbsp. Flour if needed. Form into 6 patties about 3/4 of an inch thick. Working in 2 batches, heat 1 tablespoon oil in a large non-stick skillet. Non-stick is essential since these will definitely stick to a regular skillet, over medium. Cook patties until deeply browned and very crisp on bottom side, about 3 minutes. Carefully turn and repeat on second side, adding more oil as needed to maintain a light coating around patties in skillet. Spread reserved yogurt mixture on buns. Top with burgers, sprouts, and pickles.